see the students chasing up over here. Here you can see the teachers, the staff is sitting over here. These all teachers, and this is our football hero. And this is our football hero, Sir Jacob.
The finals will be played between Team England and Spain. Requesting both the teams to get ready for the finals. In the meanwhile, we have a tiebreaker match by our teachers. We have two teams with us today. We have Team Jacob, Team Jacob. Requesting both the teams to assemble. While the teams are assembling and as the teams are setting up, we have some amazing performance to you. We have the dancers of Our Lady of the Rosary School all set to set the stage and the ground on fire.
Yeah, Teacher Malin, today you have organized these football events in your school, Our Lady of Rosary, Dona Paula. So what is the purpose of that, or what encouragement for the students or the sport in the football?
See, we have a very strong football team and we encourage football among our students. So we have not left this football fever only for the night, for us Indians, but we wanted to see it happening during the daytime. So we encouraged our children in the 4 various teams of England, France, Spain and Argentina. And we organized this inter-house match for them because each of these houses are representing different countries. And so the enthusiasm, we did not want to leave it at home on our screen. We wanted to see it on our field. We've got such a lovely football ground. And so we've organized this. And our headmistress, Sister Antoinette Kulasu, is very enthusiastic about seeing that lessons not only take place within the classroom, but there's lots to learn on the field as well. So that is why we are organizing. The whole school is participating, and this is one event which comes once in 4 years. So we really want to see the fever in our children during the daytime.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Player, and I heard that you are the player of Dempo, and today you are the chief guest in Our Lady of Rosary. So how you encourage the children, especially the girl, in the football?
Good morning. It feels great to be here on behalf of Dempo Sports Club and me playing as a player and looking at these girls playing. It feels really amazing. And the kids nowadays are enjoying more than what they used to be before. And there is a lot of scope and a lot of support for the girls as well, where the girls are literally taking advantage and they are showcasing their talent in the on the field.
Yeah, so how you feel the football as a sports, and I think we have a state, this main sport is the football. So how you feel after ISL and this? So how you encourage for the other these
Of course,
footballers?
In Goan's blood, football is running, and that is natural. And to get it more to produce it more outside, we need to work hard for it. And for that, the parents should allow their kids to also put them in the football training where they can showcase their talent, where they can put their efforts and see, oh, my kids can be. Ready and are ready to play for the national team where we can reach for a certain height and we can accomplish our goals.
Yeah, thank you. Now today we are at Dona Paula School, Our Lady of Rosary High School, including the primary, and we are in their school ground, and the school had organized today the football event with between their school houses as a red house, green house, blue house, yellow house, and as the FIFA is going on, so they encourage their students over here, and you will see over staff and the students are all sitting on the ground and watching their matches over here.